Bet they're missing my custom at that pub. Hello Steve, you alright? How do? I used to work with him, 1985 to 1990, we're both spray painters. He works for Hospice Charity now. What was I saying? Oh yes, the Willows. I got a taxi yesterday because of the icy road, but today I'm on the bike of course. And I've saved £18 in taxi fare. And I stopped going to that pub after getting that rubbery burger. If the waitress was Chinese, you think it would be a compliment. You like burger? It was rubbery. Oh, thank you very much. Oh no, I love it, we're rubbery. I'm chomping away, made my gums bleed because my teeth bite onto my gums here and there. What's that coach doing? I'm going that way. Well, no work for 2 days. I'm just talking to my mate Felix, a lad from Democratic Republic of Congo. He's a very pleasant lad, hard working lad, but like me, he's baffled as to why they make the supervisors, you know, why give them that position when they're totally mad. I think there are a lot of mad men in management. And they're all a weird little clique, they all belong to the same mad club. Maybe you have to be a bit mental to be an ignorant, talentless tit. Yes, I'm stopping in this lane. Well, sunny today, tomorrow's meant to be horrible, but sunny again on Sunday. I was thinking of a subject I've touched upon before. I'll give you a clue. Gone again, skip to Maloo. Gone again, skip to Maloo. Gone again, skip to Maloo. Skip to Maloo, my darling. No, not Indian curry. My bag open. Oh, no. I once left the bloody zip open and lost my phone. Works ID. It cost £5. You're only a cheap phone, 10 quid. When you're tired, you sometimes forget to zip it up. Could do with a new bag actually. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, and the deer and the antelope play. Seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy or grey. Home, home. Yes, I was thinking when I mentioned to what's he called, Sam Smith in America. I said there used to be a television show on British television where an American family, can you hear me? American family and a British family swapped houses for a week, and then, you know, the show was on for an hour, and half an hour was covering what the Americans got up to here, and vice versa, of course, what the British got up to in America. And they left a list of what to do, what to see. And I thought, why not have bikers doing it? If you get to know people online, would you trust people enough to come to your house? I mean, I'm going to say hide all your valuables, but I don't have any valuables. And you use each other's bikes, of course. Shit, you silly tits, right over that bloody pothole. There's another one here as well, look at this. I think they mend them, although they probably don't have time. None of my filaments keep blowing. Yeah, swapping houses, visit each other's houses. I mean, Hepcat Harley claims to be related to Sam Smith, so they could stay, you know, Sam and his wife could stay with Ian and Mandy, stay at Ian and Mandy's, whereas Ian and Mandy would be jetting over to South Carolina and having a look around those country lanes. Yahoo! Hot diggity dog! Riding Sam Smith's three-wheeler. What else has he got? A Japanese 1300, I think. I don't know what it is, V-Star or something. Dragstar maybe. But if you know anyone and you feel you can trust them, why not do it? All you have to do is spend on airfare. Would you need all the protective gear, or would it fit? You could ask them what size you are. You know what I mean? I think it'd be a nice concept. And imagine the vlogs, imagine Sam Smith here. Yeah, here we are underneath a goddamn pylon. These are American style traffic lights, yeah, on a gantry. I don't know where we're going. We're going to Blackpool tomorrow, yeah. It looks interesting on Steve's vlogs. The biggest Big Dipper in Europe. Not the world, because there's quite a few bigger ones in the US of A. Yeah. Does anyone know any Americans that have done vlogs in the UK, like on a holiday, rented a bike? I've never seen any. I once asked someone, does anyone do vlogs from classic British bikes? Imagine being on a nice noisy old Bonneville, not the modern ones, or a Mackless G12 or something interesting. Hello, does he think I'm a copper? Everyone thinks I'm a policeman with my new high-vis jacket on and my white helmet, so they slow down and obey the 30-mile-an-hour limit here. I ain't no copper. Look, my top of the world. I ain't no copper. So there we have it. That's my subject for today. Would you consider, not necessarily America, you know, going to a foreign country, living in someone's house for a week or two, and you'll feel you'll trust them because they're going to be in your house back home. If you do have any jewellery, lock them in. Put them under the floorboards, lock them in a safe, stick them in the bank. What's going on there? Why is 2 cars pulled over? You're up to no good. What are you up to, Gupta? Is this the place we are robbing tonight? Yeah, that's it, yeah. Seldom is heard a discouraging word. The skies are not cloudy all day. Now, this bloke in orange reminds me of a security chap. Pakistani security chap's got a little 50cc scooter, a Peugeot, and he jumps on it, smoking, and sets off. I said, oh, whoa, whoa. I said, you got a flat tyre? No. I said, yes. I said, you got a flat tyre at back. This was yesterday at 2 o'clock. I said, put it on its stand, let's have a look. So span little back wheel round, with a big screw. What can I do? I said, well, go to Philip Wheel's bike shop, that's the closest, and he'll fit a new... No! Cannot repair. I said, well, it's not their policy to repair. I said, in case the repair fails, I said, you could find somewhere that might repair it, but Wheels won't repair them. New tyre would be about 70 quid, plus another 70 labour. Oh, no, no. Anyway, when he came in this morning, I asked him. I had repair done, £35. I said, well, fair enough if they've plugged it. It's only a scooter. But he didn't go to Philip Wheel's Triumph Centre. He must have gone somewhere else. A lot of Asian tyre centres, so they'll think nothing of doing a plug repair. But no danger if it's a scooter. There's a lot lower pressure. What are scooter pressures? 20, 25 rather than my 42 and 36. The amount of vehicles with duff lights, you think to check. There's just dozens and dozens of lights out. I told a lady the other week. So you got the back light out. Eh? The brake lights on left. Out. Which gave me a funny look. I said, well, if I were a copper, I think they'd have you done for that, defective light. I was going to go on a countryside ride. No, I'm going to do a detour up there and go up that Fir Tree Line road, but I'm going to get home, put my feet up, put the kettle on. Nice cup of coffee to try and stay awake. Handful of chocolate biscuits, McVitie's. At him again. Actually, did I tell you? Whenever I'm out on my bike, it's like a little weird, what's the word, surreal, it's a surrealism. There's a little fellow walking a dog, I guarantee I'll see when I set off on a ride out. And there's him, that lad. He was one, when I went to Blackpool Air Show and parked my bikes up, he was looking along the line of bikes. And I said, it's just weird, wherever you go, he's there. I think someone's aliens who invented cloning. And the reason I mention aliens here, this is where, not me, but when I had an air rifle, I used to buy pellets and stuff from a shop in Accrington. I've mentioned this before, and the chap was just stood on the step of his shop. He was called Spencer, I don't know his first name. And he was looking up at this orange thing, looked like a balloon. It was a windy day. Oh, alright, I've come for some pellets. Look at that. I said, what? And he's looking at this orange thing. I said, yeah, a balloon. No. Is it, or is it not a windy day? I said, oh yeah. I said, well, a balloon wouldn't be stationary. Look at it, it's just stood there, stationary, in the sky. That's an alien probe. I said, alien probe, my ass. He said, no. I said, if there were anything to all that alien stuff, there's so many people with cameras these days, it'd be decent footage. I said, all that on YouTube is fake. You're talking to the wrong person, because I've seen something. I said, what, that orange balloon? I said, it wouldn't be orange anyway. That's somebody else I know from the motorbike days. He had an AR-125 in 1983 when I had my Super Dream 125. He had a Kawasaki. Anyway, yeah, this bloke, so me and a mate were coming back from the pub and we saw this huge silver ball just in a field. Like a sphere. And as we approached, it went and just shot up in the sky and it disappeared within a second. And on the ground was all this blue static crackling, all the grass was full of blue static. All crackling. Mind that car? Oh, you've seen it, good. So there we are, that's what he said. I've mentioned this before, I just mentioned it because that's where it was at that, there's a little stream where that, there used to be a pub there, now it's a kid's nursery. There used to be a pub called the Lidget, and years ago I think it was called the Cemetery. Because it was off the beaten track, it closed down and now it's a kid's nursery. And that's where this blue sphere was. I said, are you sure you weren't slightly rat-assed? No, because my mate saw it as well. But like I said, if there was anything to all that cobblers, wouldn't there be something on film? What's happened here? Accident or something? Someone reversing out of a parking space. What's going on? I think someone wants to reverse into a parking space and they're holding everyone up. Can you see that grey car? I want to reverse into my parking space. I want to get something for my tea from this shop. It's that cafe, there's a cafe there. And this is that bakery again. Well, bakery's not busy, but little old lady's parked the bloody cars to go in that cafe. The cafe latte. Anyway, enough of this waffle. That's my subject for today. Swapping houses with a fellow vlogger who you know very well. And are we alone? Are there aliens out there? I've seen nothing, but this chap said he's seen a huge silver sphere checking samples of grass or water or something. So there we have it. Bye for now.